So today there is no regular class as such. See, we have come to halfway through the L3 class. Okay, it took us some extra time because in between I spent extra time teaching more. But so we have come halfway through, and now there is a midterm test. So I'm going to be giving the question paper handing out today. Okay, and I will explain the question paper. So you have to write back your answers and submit to me. I will create a Google Drive folder and share the thing with you. So each one of you, when you create your response, make it as either one Word document or one PDF document. Name it after you. So if it is Shreyas, then you should write as Shreyas.doc or Shreyas underscore midterm L3.doc or .pdf, whichever way, right? So everyone names their file as per their name and put only one file. So don't put multiple files. So Agastya, you will put only one file. Yeah.
I have a question. Until when we will be able to submit it? Because I cannot submit it today.
Yeah, I will give 3 days. I will give 3 days time. Okay. So no problem. You can take 3 days to submit.
Can you tell what we have to do? I was having network issue.
So that's what. So I will give the question paper today and I will open the question. So you have 3 or 4 days to submit. 3 days you can take it to submit. Okay. And in Google Drive, I will create a Google Drive and I will share the link with all of you. So you write down all your answers in probably in some notebook or whatever on a paper, and then take the photo of that and make a PDF or whichever way, you know that, right? I mean, you can scan it or you can take a photo of it, but finally just give one file. Okay, you can create one file. It can be either document or it can be PDF, and name it after yourself. So if Yashika, then Yashika will name it as Yashika dot whatever, right? PDF or something like that, and then put it on that Google Drive folder. I will give 3 days time, and then if somebody has got some specific thing, then reach out to me. Like if you are out of station, you are thing, etc. I think yesterday someone reached out to me, so I told him. So that is okay. But otherwise, you have got 3 days time to submit the answer in that same folder, and then I will give you feedback. Okay, I will evaluate it and I will let you. Okay, so that is how it will be. So let me open the midterm test, and I will, so that you will get to see. Yeah, can you see oops. Yeah, can you see this, what is there on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir. See, I am covering the stuff which we have studied in the last 3 or 4 months, okay, in L3. So remember, we started with the descriptive notation, and we said that there is another way of writing it apart from E4, E5, D4, D5, etc. And I had explained it. So now what I am asking you in the first, yeah.
Sir, in the third question, it's written you should do a brilliant move. We can do in any game.
Wait. Don't jump to the third one. I'm coming one by one. I'll explain. Okay. So just first one, it is all converting it from the descriptive notation to the algebraic notation, which means like PKB4. It will actually, what is PKB4? Actually, it is F4, right? F4 in the algebraic notation. So I had taught you both, and I had given the handout. So you have to convert it from the descriptive notation to the algebraic notation. Algebraic notation is like E4, E5, NF3, NC6, like that. Okay. So you know both of them. You should have studied. If not, anyway, go back and again study the first handout and then do this properly. Okay. Second one, I have asked some chess notation symbols. This also I had covered it in the first lecture of the L3. And I had taught about many different symbols, which mean, apart from the white plays this, black plays that, also what is a good move, what is a brilliant move, what is an unclear position, who has the advantage, white has the advantage or black has the advantage, white has winning advantage, black has winning advantage. So many symbols, and that handout has got all the table. So you should know it by heart. But if at all you are thinking, then you can refer to it. But I am asking you the meaning of these symbols A, B, C, and D. 4 symbols I have given. So you have to write the meaning of that, or the what is that. Okay. Then coming to third question, I am again asking only notation symbols. Okay, I'm not asking you to actually make a move. I'm just going to, how do you write the move? Okay. So you know how to write, you can sometimes castle king side, sometimes castle queen side, but each one of them has got a different symbol. So I am asking you, what is the symbol for the queen side castling? I am asking you, what is the symbol for a brilliant move? I'm not asking you to make a brilliant move. I'm just asking you, how will you describe the brilliant move using the chess symbol notation, right? Which I had taught.
Sir, can you repost all the notations on the group, because I don't have it to study for the
No, you
exam.
don't have the first handout. I had sent it already. It is there in the group documents. If you go, you will find it.
Okay, sir.
If you are,
Okay,
it's
lost
really
it.
not there, then I will resend it. But otherwise, it is there in the group documents. Okay. You should have. I hope all of you are downloading the files that I sent, PDF files that I sent. I hope all of you are downloading it, because it is for your reference. It is for you to print it out and keep it in your file. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to come down and I'm going to explain. See, after that your chess puzzle starts. Okay. Question number 4. I am see, there are specific questions I am asking. White to move. Question number 4 is white to move. I'm asking, is it possible for white to win a rook by tactics? There are some tactics involved. It may be possible, it may not be possible. I don't know. I'm asking you whether, if you know the tactics, some of the tactics that I have taught, right? Pin and overloading and skewer and all of some 6 tactics, right? We had seen. So I'm asking whether using any of those tactics, do you see a possibility of what do you call, winning a rook or even winning a pawn maybe? Okay. So in this position, I'm asking the possibility, but it may be possible, it may not be possible. You have to evaluate it and you have to look at it best moves from both sides, right? And you have to give. If you say yes, then also provide the moves. If you say no, then also provide the moves. Okay. Then coming to next position, it is white to move, number 5, and white has got a brilliant, it has got some strong move up his sleeve. So can you find it? Look at the position and can you find the best move for white? And also, what is the reply for black? So again, you don't have to answer me right now. Think about it. There is the position is such that white has got a strong move. Okay. Then coming to 6, it is black to move. What I am saying is black to move. WB means white's bishop. Okay, white's bishop at B1. Can you see the white bishop at the B1 square? Okay, I am saying that in position number 6, I am saying that it cannot move safely anywhere. Wherever it go, it is in danger. Okay, it cannot move anywhere. Now, can you take advantage of this fact and make some strong black to play? Okay, so black to play. Black knows that white cannot move his bishop on the B1. Okay, so can he do something? Can he do something which powerful because of that? So you have to think about it and find a very good move for black. Okay. Position number 7. Okay, look at it. Look at it carefully. White's pawn is 3 steps away from queening. Black's pawn is 3 steps away from queening. White has got a bishop. Black has got a knight. I'm asking you, comment on it. It is black to move.
Sir, the last move, I have a question.
Yeah.
How can the bishop on B1 cannot move?
No, it can move, but it cannot move safely. What it means is, if it moves somewhere, then it is actually in danger. Yeah, it will be captured. That is what I mean. It can move, but it will get captured.
So that we should take advantage.
So that fact you should take advantage. Number 7, it is black to move. You have to tell whether it is going to be black will win it, or it will be a draw, or white will win it, and why. You have to write. Don't just write saying, oh, I think black will win it. No, don't just write that. You have to write why, and you have to explain, or you have to give the best moves, right? So everywhere, basically, whenever I am asking a question, right, don't assume that I'm not asking you yes or no, or he will win it. You have to explain why somebody will win it or why somebody will not win it, right? Now look at the position number 8. Okay, it's blocked positions of pawn chains. Black has got a bishop, white has got a rook. Now white to play, but white can win this. So I'm asking you, what is your plan for winning? So first 2 moves of white, you give it, how you will go about it, right? And what is your plan? First 2 moves or even 3 moves you can give it, so that you explain exactly what you are going to do, right? So so that is what is the number 8. Number 9 is an interesting position. Look at it and spend quite some time understanding it, because there are a lot of niceties in that in this position. Lot of threats and counter threats are there from both sides, but it is black to play. So what we are what we are asking is whether black can play and win this, right? So how can black play and win this? And yeah, I mean, that is, yeah.
Sir, in this position, we should write what white is also playing.
Yes, you have to write both moves, right? You have to write, say, black to play. So you will start with the black, saying that first move is by black, then what white will play, then what black will play. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Vihan has joined. Yeah. Vihan, I am explaining the question paper.
Okay.
I am explaining the question paper, what you are supposed to do. So it is what you call. So just go through it, and then you'll understand. See, there are many positions that are there. Okay, position number 10. See, all of these things are actually from something which you have already taught. Okay, whether it is opening, tactics, middle game, or end game, all of it I had introduced and I had taught. So from that only I am asking you this question. Question number 10. It's a position, blocked pawns, 1 pawn each. Kings are in opposition. You said, yeah.
But this 10th one, we did the same, I remember.
So if you remember, then you will be able to answer. That is also the trick that I am asking, that who has actually gone ahead and actually seen the handout. So if you had seen it, and if you had remember everything that we had done and done it, revised it again, then you will get it. But see, I am asking, but remember, I am asking what question I am asking. Is white to move, is it a draw or one side will win? Okay, and then actually that will mean a sub question. So to see, both pawns are blocked. So for one side to win, that means the other side should be losing the pawn, right? That is definitely, otherwise you cannot win, right?
Sir, at this condition,
Yeah.
I think white will win.
Don't answer to me right now. You can send me the answer as part of your submission. I'm just explaining the question. But
Ma'am, sir, did the class start at 9:45 or 9:30?
9:30.
Okay.
9:30.
Yeah. As usual, right? Every. So, and it is. I'm only explaining the question paper. Okay. So I'm going to be sending this question paper out to you, all of you, after this, and you have 3 days, Vihan. I will be sending the Google link, Google Drive link. You have to submit your document in that folder, as naming it as yourself. So if you are Vihan and your submission, you create one Word file or one PDF file, whichever way is okay, with all your answers, and you name it as Vihan .doc or .pdf, and place it in the thing. So everyone just place one file, don't put multiple files. So each person should have only one submission. Okay, student. Okay. So what I was telling in number 10, remember, to win, obviously you have to win the other side's pawn. But just winning the other side's pawn does not mean that you win the game, because sometimes there
Yes,
are
sir.
draws
It can
also.
still draw. Yes.
Yeah, so remember all of that and then answer. Okay. Number 11. Again, I have
That
taught
this
it.
also we have done in the class.
Correct. So see,
In the
I'm not
class.
asking anything which is outside of the class. Everything that I have done in the class, mostly that only I am asking. But you have to remember it properly and you have to do it. Okay. So black's pawn is one step away from queening. White has already got a queen. How can white to move can win this? Okay, you have to show it all the way to the end. Not just show me. Don't just show me one move, check and all. Okay, you have to show it to me all the way to the end. Okay. Yeah.
It can also be a draw, right?
I don't know. If you think it's a draw, then you can say that it's a draw. It's not going to be a win. But I have taught this, so you revise back and see basically. Right, in the end game, I had what do you call? In the end games, I had taught this. Handout on end game, you check it. Right. Okay. Then we are looking at some tactics positions. Number 12. It's white to play, and he has got a very strong set of moves with which white can win. So you have to find it. Okay, starting with white to play. Number 13 also white to play has got a brilliant move. So again, I am asking you to find the continuation for white. Okay, white to play and win. You will be able to find it, I think.
Sir, aren't we discussing the answers?
No. This is a midterm test for you now. So I am only explaining the question paper. You take it. You have 3 days to answer, and you submit it in Google Drive. Okay. All right. And then number 14. Number 14 is also an interesting position. You have seen it. I am asking white to play, and white's knight is pinned and is under attack. So can actually white do something and do something powerful, right? So which will not only he will defend the knight, or I mean he's not losing the knight, but in fact he will come up ahead. So can that happen? So I'm just asking. Find the move for it. Then number 15.
It's a bishop sacrifice. I know.
Don't give answers and don't give it. And sometimes it might be wrong also. Okay. So you have to think about it and find the best move for white, and which will give him solid advantage, and then give it. And number 16, look at the position. Actually, the text, I have got a typo wrong. Okay. It is not white to play and win. Actually, it is black to play and win. Okay, number 16. Okay, so please, I'm going to edit it before sending. Probably I'm going to be correcting it, but it's wrong. So it is see, everything is, I've got it ulta. It is black to play and win. White's king is in danger, not black's king. White's king is in danger.
That only I was thinking. Why black king is not in danger?
Yeah. Correct. You are right. So it is white's king is in danger, and how can black win? Okay, so all the colors I have got it reversed here in this thing. I think I made a mistake. So black to play and win.
Or if it's black to play,
yeah,
the black queen can also eliminate the white queen.
So possible, but you look at it. Number 16, you find the best move for a black series of moves, and then you can give first 3 moves. You can give it. Okay, and I'm going to change it so that, but in case everyone please remember, number 16 is black to play and win. Okay, the text is wrong. Okay, all right. So with that, I think we are coming back. So there are these 16 questions, 2 sides of the page. There are 16 questions. First 3 are on the chess notation, and after that, they are all chess position puzzles. So please, what I suggest is, properly put the position. Sometimes when you put this position on the board or when you analyze it, you make some mistake, and because of that you give wrong answer. So make sure that you get exact position right and which side to move, then only, and then validate it, and please submit it because once you submit it in the Google Drive and that's it, then you will not be able to resubmit it. So please validate, take your time, and then do it. And then so this week you will go into this, and then next week onwards we will start the second half of your L3 training. Another 3 months is there. Okay, So that is what we will start with next 2 hours.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, before class we were discussing how many levels are there.
Oh, there are, okay. So, so there are so many levels, but so if you consider it, what do you call? If you consider just somebody who just knows the basic rules of chess, may not be knowing good to play, but he just knows how to make the moves, right? That we will call it as, if we call that as level 1, okay, then something like Magnus Carlsen or someone will be at a level 15, 1-5, okay, and you are currently learning level 3. Okay, then level 4 is a 1-year course. Okay, level 4 is a 1-year course. Level 3 was a 6 months course, 6 or 7 months, right? It will become. Level 4 is a 1-year course, and after that,
I know. I know, sir.
roughly it will take every after level 4, roughly it will take some people can be brilliant and they will go very fast and they will go. But if you ask, you will take roughly one year to cross one level. So and another 1 year you will be level 4, then another 1 year you will be level 5. But if you are brilliant and you are you may go ahead and you may become a master or whatever, you can fast. But I'm telling.
But sir, can we skip levels if we are good at chess?
There is no skipping. You have to cross the exam and then only go. So that is what. So it is like saying that sometimes.
So sir, when I go to L4, can I attempt the exam of L5?
I mean, if you clear L4 with very good marks, okay, then we can give the L5 ka midterm exam, etc. We can give it like that. Okay, but first you have to clear the current level exam. You have to clear it with very good score. Then you can if you clear that and if you are good, then you can prepare for and then attempt the next level exam. Right?
Sir, I think he's
And do we get to play with the Stockfish 3 level 4 in the exams of 5 level?
I didn't understand. What is that? You get to play with?
You get links and you have to get, you got a position, you just have to win with Stockfish 4 or 3.
Oh, it is, it is. See, actually what happens is as you go to higher and higher levels, right, the knowledge that you need to have also increases so much. I mean, you have to know so many things different that it is sometimes. So anyway, so if
Sir, how many levels do you teach?
I teach up to level 5, not beyond that.
Okay, and then who continues?
Then there are some, I have other friends who are more master coaches, etc. Then I suggest that you go to them for level 6, level 7, etc. If you go.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, when we was in L2, who was in L3, then they should go L4.
Yes, so I have a batch which is currently in L4, and that too within L4 also there are like 2 segments. One of them are about to finish L4, and
6 months.
Yeah, another 3 months they will finish L4, and then there are some who have just joined L4 because it's a 1-year course, right? So there are 2 different groups in L4 currently, and you are in L3. And
sir, I think by the time we go to L4, you might have gone to.
They would have gone. Some of the students would have gone to L5. Yeah.
Sir, by the time we go to L4, you might have gone to L6.
Yeah, but I think L6 probably, that's what I said. So I think I will teach up to L5, and after that I will hand over to other coaches are there. So
Okay.
But by the way, how many of you are doing the chess king exercises? You have got so many courses that I have enabled.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I don't get time. I have to go outside with my parents to find a house. And second thing is that on the weekdays I have lots of homework and work, so I don't get time.
See, it is like this. So that's what.
Sir,
So if you want to go ahead and more, you have to do a lot of these exercises and solve it. Now, I will not think if you cannot solve it, or if you do not solve it, then you will go only up to a certain level. Beyond that, you will not go. So that's why I mean it is up to you. I am not. See, everybody has got exam. Everybody has got a lot of studies to do and things. So you decide how much, what is the thing that you want to. But if you want to get ahead in chess, you will have to give time to it, just like any other subject, and you will have to do lots and lots. And you are just starting in L3. It is going to become more and more difficult going. Yeah. Yeah,
In
Deepa.
chess king, which is the most difficult course?
Oh, it is not like that. There are so many courses at different levels, but don't worry about that. I think whatever you have got, right, you have got access to, it is under available your thing. Try to study and solve the problems as much as possible, fully, completely, right? That is what will keep taking you
Sir,
on.
can you send the links to me again? I did not get them.
Which links?
So the testing courses.
Chessking, I have sent it to you so many times, Vihan. It is learn.chessking.com.
Sir,
Go there
sir,
and
we
No,
can
sir, I
search
have
in
the link
Google
of, I don't
Chrome.
have the link of the courses.
no, you just log in with your ID and
Sir,
then
we should
check
in
on.
Chrome
Yeah.
we should search chessking.com. It will
Yeah.
come up.
Yeah, see, in here like this. So you will be logging in like this, right? You are logging in and then go to courses and then go to, can you see the screen?
So it's
Yes,
still for
sir.
strategy for beginner. Now
Yeah.
it's loading.
Now it's loading.
Sir, but where do we get the lessons? Because the course which you sent for me coming first in the
So I will show it. I will show it to you. Why it is taking so much time, I don't know. Maybe they are restarting the servers or whatever. But under available, you go in the chess courses and what is the time? It is 9. Okay, 10 o'clock. Okay. So it will come, it will load, and there are courses. You go and click on courses, and then on the top right side, you will see a tab called available. So you click available, then you will know what are the courses that are available for your ID. So those are the ones that you try to finish. Oh, it is taking so much time today. Why?
I have opened here. It's taking only 10 seconds like that, not more.
You want to share the screen? I will stop sharing.
So I can also share.
Okay. I can also set
So let me stop sharing and let me allow you to share. So Dipant, why don't you share the screen?
Yes, sir. Sir, Vihan Damajay has shared.
Okay. Learn.chessking.com.
Chessking.com.
Learn.chessking.com. Yeah. So log in. First of all, top right, you go top right and log in first. Yeah, log in. Now you are on the levels tab. Instead top left, if you go courses is there. Yeah, click courses. Not loading. Then on you go to the top. See at the top you see. Scroll to the right. All courses. Then next to it is started and next to it is available. Click available. Click available. See to come down. See, Mate in 2 is what I have given it to you. But apart from that, the other 2 courses that are available is Mate in 2 openings is what I have given it to you, and you have solved 30 of them. But 490 are there. But apart from that, there is one more course which is available for everybody, which is Mate in 2 chess puzzles. Not in opening, just general. So can you go to the courses? Can you go to courses?
First.
Can you go to courses?
Course.
Yeah, this is your available course, but under courses Mate in. Okay, so all courses, just come down, Mate in 2. Come down, scroll down. This. Come down.
Others, you can search.
No, it's okay. I will, because there are so many of them. So it's okay. Just come down. Mate in 2 chess puzzles. This course, just click preview. Yeah, 19,000. Yeah, click preview. You don't have I have enabled it from the back end. So this entire course is available to you. Mate in 2 chess puzzles. So just click preview, but you will be able to access it fully. See, you have not done a single problem of this.
Sir, I think I also have like that something.
Yeah. So here, go to content, open that content, mate in two moves.
Fundament into.
Yeah, see, each they are given by all sections, king and rook, king and bishop. Within that, levels are there, each one of them. So click any one of them, king plus rook, king plus bishop, whatever.
Sir, I have a question. Is it compulsory to buy the course?
No, this course I have given to you for free, everybody. You just click on preview and you will get it. This course, 19,000 puzzles are available to you for free. Free means I have
For
included it.
everyone, sir.
Yeah, for everyone. But don't just click the preview button for the course. Okay, don't buy. Just click it preview, but see, you can access it. I have made it from backend. I have enabled it. See, all of these puzzles are available to you. Made in 2 moves. Okay. Remember, it is made in 2 moves. Yeah. Okay. So like this. So there are so many of them. You do as many practice as you can. Right. In every section, and there are sections. So try to do it in every section you do it. Right. So in one section, if you are getting it everything, then you go to the next section. Right. So like this. All right. Okay. I hope you have got it everything. You can stop sharing probably. And I will stop recording.
So what if we want to get it